happy family, high income, a romantic relationship. All of these depend on your ability to build good relationships. But how? Don't worry. This video will be a compass for you to build good relationships in 3 steps. Let's begin. Step 1. Empathy. If you had to develop only one skill for relationships, just one, it would definitely be the ability to empathize. Because for a relationship to exist, 2 or more people need to interact. If you only look from your own perspective, having more than one person doesn't make sense. This means there is no relationship. You already know your own desires and needs. To get along with the other person, you need to know theirs too. So you need to bait according to the fish. If you put your own choices like hamburgers or donuts on the hook and wait, as you can guess, nothing will happen. But if you think like a fish and put a delicious worm on the hook, you will get what you want. Step 2. Don't criticize or argue. Every person has a passion for being important. In fact, everything people do is because of this passion, and successful people have emerged because of this passion, because there are no limits to satisfying this drive. When you criticize, you attack their passion for being important, forcing them to defend themselves. Even if the other person accepts your criticism, they may harbor resentment or even hatred towards you. Arguments, like criticism, are also meaningless. Even if you are the most justified person in the world, it only satisfies you but damages the other person's self-confidence, and your relationship inevitably suffers. On the other hand, if you can satisfy people's hunger for the passion of being important, they will start to gather around you and like you. Step 3. Show interest. People think about themselves all day long and only care about those who show interest in them. Actually, the solution is quite simple. Show interest to attract interest. When talking to someone, listen with all your attention and try to understand them. Good communicators are among the best listeners. Sincerely appreciate people, thereby feeding their passion for being important. When you achieve this, you will be met with tolerance everywhere. Lastly, approach with friendliness, and don't forget to smile. You won't believe the effects of a sincere smile. This is a cause and effect situation. Think about it. If someone comes to you with their guard up, you also take a defensive stance. But if someone smiles at you, you smile back. No matter how much you learn about relationships and communication, the best teacher I can recommend for self-improvement is definitely practice. Thanks for watching.